Hi, my name is Luke, and in this video we will install the Tiny Scanner to the iPad. Please go to the App Store and search for Scanner. You will need to scroll down and find the application called Scanner++ PDF Document Scan. Click Install. Once installed, you will be able to click Open. It will open the app as Tiny Scanner. Press Get Started to use the app. When using the app, press the plus button. It will allow you to take an image or photo or load from your images on the device. If you take an image, it will crop the image automatically. You can adjust the crop with the arrows on the corners. If you find that the image is upside down, you can crop it and adjust it. Press the fourth button down on the right side. From the crop menu, on the left side you can rotate the image. Once you have rotated the image to the position you are happy with, press Save. From this menu you can email the document. Select the size, type the address of the person you're wanting to send it to, and hit Send. That covers the use of the Tiny Scanner on the iPad. Thank you for watching.